So hi everyone, I am Qayyum and in this video we will going to see that how to read a file using the combination of HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So in this video we will use an API which is FileReader, which is basically a API of JavaScript. So in this video we will going to see that how to use and get the file content inside HTML tags using the JavaScript. So here on the screen I open three files. These files are empty right now, so we will get them filled afterwards. So the first of we need an empty HTML template which is here. So in this we will give our title of the HTML page as uh, file actually reading using JavaScript. So this will be our HTML page title. Okay, let me reload the page. So here you can see that our page name has been title name has been changed. So here file reading using JavaScript. Okay, so let me add the CSS inside it, so it will take place. We have added CSS. Now again the script JavaScript src, in that our script name which is script.js that we have been included here. So the first step will be we need some HTML tags. So create HTML tags for division container. First of all we need a division container. Okay, so let try to create a container for it. So here inside this division container we need an input tag. Okay, so we will create an input tag. Now let's create input having a type. So basically we are dealing with the files, that's why I'm taking file as a type. The next one will be the class name which is input file. Okay, so I'm taking class name as an input file, then close this. Okay, done. Now we will add a new tag, one more tag for getting the output inside that tag. So we will give a pre tag, then class which is class name as output. So here we have done with our pre tag also. So we are just taking two tags here. So first we will get select a file using this choose file button. Here we don't have any file, we will create one for it, and then using this after loading the file we will get the output inside the pre tag. Okay, so we are done with the HTML. Now let's move to the CSS. So inside this CSS we will give the display type as flex direction, flex direction as column. Then we want the items to be aligned in the center. That's it. Okay, so it's done now. Now let's select the container, so it will get the same output as this one. Okay, so now let's start with it. Okay, done. We can also add background to it. Okay, background. Okay, let a border. Let me add a border. Yeah, oh, border which is having a width of 2 pixel, solid. Then uh, blue as a color. Okay, so you can see that the container, inside container we have this one. Okay, so now let's let it be as it is. It doesn't have anything. Okay, now let's move to the script tag. So JavaScript program code for FileReader API. Okay, so now let's, so in the first we will select input tag. Okay, so let select the document, then again query selector. Using this, select the input tag class. So we are having input file as a class name of the input tag, so we will select it, input file. Then add an event, attach an event listener to it. So in the event section we will give change as an event, then function. So inside this function we will write our code that will going to be execute on load on change of the file, and will show us the output inside the pre tag. Okay, the first step will be uh, uh, creating an object using a constructor. Okay, so let create an object. So let say the object name as FileReader. Okay, FileReader is our object of the class FileReader. So we have just created an object of type which is having a name FileReader and which is belong to the class FileReader. Okay, so using this we will going to create. Now let attach an event to this FileReader object. Okay, so which is event name is onload. So whenever the file is has been loaded, whenever the file has been loaded, it will execute the function inside this. Okay, so now let FileReader dot onload event, then assign it to the function, a function which is having a code. So now inside this code we will select the tag in which we want to display the output of the file. Okay, so output of the file in the tag, so we are having a pre tag. Okay, so in the pre tag we will give our output. So we will first select that tag in which we want to display the output. So which the pre tag is having a class name which is output, so we are selecting it. Then we will select the text content, what type of content we want it. So we are selecting text content and assign it to the file reader dot result. So this is basically will give the content of the file. Okay, after the file reader has been stored, so it will assign inside the, it will display, this expression will display the file content inside the pre tag. Okay, so we are done with the this. Now finally we will read the file as below. So let's say file reader object, then use method read as text. Okay, read as text, and inside this we will type this dot files. So this will actually what it will do, it will get the object it will select an object which is file reader, which is having our file content, and then it will pass it to the read as text function. So this function will basically check that is there any file is available inside the file reader. So, and it will select that file and will read using read as text function, and will show the result inside this file reader result, inside this pre tag. Okay, so now we are done with it. Let again create a file, simple file.txt. We are creating a text file, and inside this I am in India. Okay, I am India. So we are done with it. Let's try to select it. So here you can see that I am getting the output as I am in the India. Okay, now let's give a border which is I am in India. Okay, margin having a 5 pixel, padding having 5 pixel. Let's see now. So we are getting this. Say gold. So as you can see that we are getting this as an output. Okay, so let's check for the another. Is that really helpful? Let's select script. Okay, so you can see that whatever file you are going to click, it will show you in the pre tag. Okay, let again see index HTML. So in this way we can use this. Okay, again style. So this can be helpful. So in this way guys we can do it. Okay, let me again border that is okay. Background color. So guys in this way we can set it. So guys in this way we can get the content of the file using JavaScript. So hope guys this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.